Thank you so much for coming, Ashley. I'm so happy that you're here. I've been a little worried because I've had this leak for a couple of days, and I have a good feeling that you're the one that's going to help me out.
Of course. Thank you for having me to your house. It's beautiful, and you don't want any plumbing problems in a beautiful house like this, or any house for that matter.
No, but as a homeowner, there's always issues coming up, and this time it's an outdoor leak. Maybe next time it's something else, and as a woman, I always want to be able to learn how to either do it myself or at least be able to help somebody and have a little knowledge, a little know-how of how to do it.
Exactly. So let's go check it out and see if we can find a solution.
Come over. It's on the side of the house.
Okay.
So here's the shower.
Yeah, so I was able to take a look at it, and it looks like at the end of one of your fittings, the solder has eroded.
Okay.
Very common problem, happens quite a bit, and we have a lot of products that should be able to fix this, and you should be able to do it yourself.
Awesome. I'm not the best at plumbing or doing these DIYs, but I'm looking forward to learning a lot from you.
That's okay. We have a lot
of... walk me through step by step.
Definitely, I will be here with you throughout the entire thing.
Okay.
But a lot of our products are very easy to use. There's no flame, there's no solder, so your house will be safe, you will be safe.
Good.
And we'll have a great time, and we'll get it done.
Wonderful. Let's do this then. This is a day full of DIY. I have the gardeners, we're doing plumbing, we're gonna get this all fixed up.
Yeah, it's gonna be great. So we're gonna start by using a push fitting.
I did notice that I felt the springs on the little black part.
Yeah, and it's got the gripper rings in it, so it just pushes onto the pipe and naturally attaches with the gripper rings. It's made of 99.9% pure copper, so naturally antimicrobial and dezinkification resistant. So perfect for DIY projects.
Let's try it. Let's see. So, and that's it.
That's it. You're done.
Okay, that was way too easy. I feel like a plumber. Plumber 101, check.
So we put our press union on there. That was our last step. We haven't actually pressed it though yet. But we chose press. It's a permanent joint, but the union gave us more flexibility in such a tight space over here.
So now, safety glasses.
Yes.
Why do we need safety
We
glasses?
always have to be safe, but because of the tool that we are using, it does have a spring in it. It's never happened, but just in case, we don't want anything to happen to our eyes.
But it seems a lot safer than having to solder with fire. Obviously, I don't want my house to burn down. And I've never worked with one of those soldering machines, so I think it just seems a lot more safe.
It is, so it's a lot cleaner. You're not having drips everywhere in your nice white house. So just cleaner, safer, and faster.
Right, because with the soldering, you have to wait for the pipes to be dry, and that would probably take us all day here.
Yes.
So we don't have all day
We don't have all that time.
We want to get this done as quickly and as easy as possible.
Right.
Okay,
so
good.
we're gonna press the joints on the union, and then we're gonna push this in so that you can still have your hose access and a valve to be able to turn it on and off.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Great, ready to go?
I am.
We're ready to press now. Yep, and then you can push in your valve so we can still have water access here.
That's it.
Yeah, and
Easy
then
does it.
We will just press this and you'll be ready to go.
All right.
Yep, and you want to open this up.
Open it up. Okay.
And make sure it's on the grooves, which it is.
That's it?
That's it.
Oh, wow. I'm really impressed. It really was easy.
That was it, and it makes a solid crimp and nothing else to do. We just have one more left right down here. Yep.
Okay, so I open up.
Yep, just make sure you're locked on that groove there.
Locked on the groove.
And there you go. You did it.
Karent Sierra Plumbing.
You're going to start a new business. It's going to be great.
My little side hustle at NIBCO.
Yeah.
So Ashley, I'm so impressed. I am happy because I feel I actually accomplished something. And this is wonderful because every single woman can learn how to do this on their own.
Well, you did a wonderful job, and I know a lot of other women are able to do this in their homes as well. Push and press are made for the DIY homeowner.
You know, it's about empowering the woman, and I love it. And I know that you have tutorials and finding out about all your different products. So where can we look this up?
All that information is on NIBCO.com. We have videos where you can see installations like yours to help other people learn how to do this in their homes.
Okay, perfect. Now we'll find out how many leaks James has.
Perfect.
We'll see. Okay, let's try this out. Coming up next on BELatina, James and I hit the streets in one of the hottest rides in the market for an action-packed day filled with speed, uncontrollable laughs, and tequila.